What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here, and we have official hardware wallet support for OctaSpace. So this is coming at us with the Tangem hardware wallet, the first wallet to add Kaspa into a hardware wallet. This is the same wallet I did test in the past. I ran it over, I threw it in water, and it still worked 100%. So at any time throughout this video, if you plan on getting one up, I do have a discount code and link down in the description. So I'm going to show you how to set up OctaSpace on the Tangem hardware wallet. Once you do unlock your wallet, scroll down to the manage tokens, click that, let it load, and then go to your search function, which is the magnifying glass, type in Octa. It should pop up. Once it does, hit the down arrow and make sure you turn it on. Hit your save changes or it won't save. Once it does finally load, open it up and you will get to your copy icon, which will copy your address. That'll be what you use to send coins to, as well as mine to. All right, so now I'm going to send some Octa to my Tangem hardware wallet just to see if it shows up. And if it does work all good, we're going to try to add Pac as well, because we are dual mining Pac on majority of these pools these days. So I did email myself my Tangem wallet address already. We can see it right here. Octa, where are you at here? Octa Tangem is right here. I'm just going to copy this address. We're going to come into my MetaMask again, MetaMask, wherever we are masking around, click on that and hit send. I'm going to send it to this address. It's loading up, and I'm just going to send one Octa for now just to test this out, and hit the next button. Let it do its confirmation things. Yes, yes, confirm. All right, so it is now pending. We're going to wait a couple seconds here. Octa does send pretty fast, so we'll see how long it actually takes, but it shouldn't be too long. So it took about 17 seconds to get the confirmation here. So we are confirmed. Now I'm going to open up my wallet and see if our Octa did arrive. Okay, so we're going to open up our wallet here, scroll on down, and I can see one Octa down there. I'm going to open up my wallet, and yes, one Octa did arrive in our hardware wallet. Okay, so that did seem to work. Now let's see if we can get PacMan to work. And if you're unfamiliar with PacMan, this is a partnered coin with OctaSpace, and it runs on the OctaSpace network. So you're going to need a couple things here. First, you can go into your MetaMask on your main desktop here, click on Pac, and then kind of get your token details. This will allow you to get this token decimals. Now, if you're doing this following the video, you already know the token decimals is now 18. So what you're going to want to do now is go to your phone, and you're going to want to Google up OctaSpace. You're going to click on that, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then click on PacMan coin. Then we're going to scroll down some more until we find it on OctaSpace network. Click on that next to the little ghost guy on OctaSpace. It will then load. Now this gives us all the details we need here. It's the same way that you did do it within MetaMask, but now we got to do it here. So I'm going to go up there. You can see contract address details. I'm going to copy that by hitting the copy button. And now we're going to load up our OctaSpace wallet here within Tangem. So we're going to let it do its thing, and it's taking its sweet time. Give me a second. I'm going to have to actually re-input my card here because I have my screen recorder and it's kind of blocking that. Okay, so now I'm back in OctaSpace here, and now I'm going to go to manage tokens in our normal wallet here, and then we're going to hit the plus symbol. From that point, we're going to scroll down to our network of OctaSpace. So we're going to find OctaSpace. Click on that. Now it's going to say down there in yellow, this token is already added to your list. We're going to change that contract address. We're going to paste that one in that we copied from before. Now we do know that this is called PacMan. So we're going to name this PacMan. Actually, I'm going to go with a capital M there just because. PacMan. Token symbol is Pac, so P-A-C. And then for the decibels, like I said earlier, that is 18 that we did see within MetaMask. And then we're just going to add that token. There we go. We can now see PacMan is added here. So now I'm going to send a coin to this and see if it actually works. All right, so I did email it to myself and paste it in here. In theory, it should be the exact same wallet address because you're running within the same wallet on the same network. So it is the same here, but I did want to copy it over and show you exactly so that you guys could confirm for yourself that it's the same wallet address. From that point, we're going to open up our MetaMask here. MetaMask. I don't know why I always say that when I do that. But anyway, we're going to click on Pac now, and we're going to send. I'm going to copy and paste our address in here. I guess I got to copy it again. So where are we at here? PacMan address. Copy, come back in, paste it in, and now we're gonna put in 1 pack. I don't know if there's a minimum for pack or not, but we're gonna use 1 pack here. Looks like there's a little Octa fee happening. So when you do send any PacMan, it's just like any Ethereum based coins, you're using Octa as that gas fee. Unlike Ethereum, this is very cheap. So we're gonna hit the next button and we're gonna send ourselves 1 pack. So we're gonna confirm that, yes, pending. So let's see how long this takes. So I did count to about 15 here, so 15 to 17 depending when the last block happened. So about the same speed here, which makes sense. It's the same network. So we did send 1 pack. Now I'm going to open up my Tangem wallet and see if we received it. And now coming into our Tangem wallet, we can see 1 pack has been received in the corner there. So awesome, it did work. And if we scroll up, we'll see in yellow, the amount does not include some of your funds. So I'm assuming that has to do with the new coin here. But PacMan does work in the Tangem wallet on the OctaSpace network. We now have hardware wallet support for both coins. And in my mind, that's pretty awesome. So just a little pro tip here before you guys get all anxious and start sending everything to your Tangem hardware wallets. Make sure you do send all your pack first and then your Octa, or you won't have any fees to cover your pack transactions. So I figured I'd point that out before you guys just start sending everything away. All right, guys, so there we have it. We have official hardware wallet support from Tangem for OctaSpace and all the coins that get built within OctaSpace. So that's wicked. I do plan on swapping over all my mining addresses and everything and start mining to this Tangem hardware wallet, as well as pull everything out of MetaMask and sending it to my Tangem wallet as well. I really do enjoy this wallet, and if you are looking for one for yourself, discount code and link down in the description. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.